Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Patricia had something to do with Ino's death.
But what if hindi siya ang pumatay kay Meredith? What if Renan is just spinning stories to save himself?
Everyone suspected that since the beginning. Our mistake was letting her slip through the cracks.
Remember, this all has still to be proven in court.
Tapos ano? Magbibilang tayo ng mga taon bago siya masintensyahan? Tapos makakawala na naman siya? You know, if she's guilty of killing Meredith, then hindi malayo that she also killed Ino. That woman is a monster! Manda siya sa akin!
Wait, Lorena, huwag kang pabigla-bigla.
Itiwan mo ako, Cons!
Listen to me.
Hayaan mo akong sugurin ng babaeng yon!
Wala pa tayong sapat na katibayan na si Patricia talaga pumatay kay Meredith. Or Ino for that matter.
That Patricia better find a good defense lawyer kung ayaw niyang mabulok sa kulungan.
Okay, okay.
Sumagot ka, please. Please, help me. Sheila Pinto!
Ma'am, dito po. Ma'am, may bisita po kayo.
Oh my God!
I hope I'm not intruding.
Attorney Zamora! Please intrude! No. I mean, please. Interrupt me as you must. Sheila? Merienda, please?
Yes po, ma'am.
Anything.
Sorry if I came here unannounced. I wanted to see you in your environment, unstaged, unpolished for appearances. You see, the way a person lives, especially under pressure, speaks volumes about who they are.
Grabe yung sekretary nyo. Hindi ako nilubayan sa pag-ignore sa akin. Akala ko hindi nyo na ho tatanggapin yung kaso ko.
Wala naman ako sinabing hindi ko tatanggapin. Pinag-isipan ko lang ng konti. But your case intrigued me. Especially because of its connection to the late attorney Meredith Simmons. A high-profile lawyer, a murder case, your name all over the headlines. Fascinating.
Posible ring may tama si Renan dyan, ha? Hindi nga ba? Miski naman nun, pinagdududahan natin si Patricia ang pumatay sa nanay mo.
Pag napatunayan na yung Patricia na yan ang pumatay dito kay Atty. Mer, nako, lagot sa akin yan.
Uy,
Pero, Bestie, paano ba tayo maghahanap ng ebidensya?
ano kaya? Baka pwede kami makatulong dyan.
Si Vivian, yung kaibigan ni Tita Patricia, sigurado kong maraming nalalaman yun. At saka gusto ko rin makumpirma kung totoo ba yung sinasabi ni Renan na siya talaga yung nasa death by decaf at hindi si Tita Patricia nung gabing pinatay si nanay.
Nagpapaimbestiga na ako para mahanap sila agad. Pero sa tingin ko, marami pang hindi nasasabi sa atin si Atty. Alan. Kasama na doon kung saan matatagpuan sila Vivian at Paco.
Kurt, kailangan na natin silang mahanap. Kailangan nating ma-verify kung anong koneksyon nila kay Tita Patricia at sa pagkamatay ni nanay.
Mabuti na lang, tinanggap ninyo yung kaso ko, attorney.
Mrs. Engano, let me make myself clear. I don't take my cases lightly. I choose them. Pasalamat ka na lang at gusto kong hawakan ng kasong ito.
Attorney, totoo ba? Hindi ka pwedeng makalabas ng bansa.
Okay, Mrs. Engano, ganito yon. If no cases are filed against you at wala ring sufficient evidence that is secured within a reasonable time frame, then walang mai-issue ang court na whole departure order. Now, habang ongoing ang investigation at may visa pa ang ILBO, I suggest na huwag ka nalang pumunta anywhere. Kahit na pwede mong gawin yun. Because you leaving all of a sudden and in a hurry will raise so many suspicions. Pero bago tayo magsimula, gusto ko sabihin mo sa akin ng lahat-lahat. Walang paligoy-ligoy, walang itatago. Because if I am going to defend you, I need the full story. Have I made myself clear?
Ma'am, nasa labas po si Attorney Era. Gusto rin po kayo makausap.
Ayaw mo rin pumasok sa loob? I'm just afraid that I might end up like Matt. Talaga ba, Era? Still clinging on to every word that comes out of Renan's mouth. Nakalimutan mo na ba kung sino siya? The man whose life revolves around revenge. And why? Because of your Mati. Dahil pinakawalan niya ang taong pinaghihinalaan ni Renan na pumatay sa kanyang mama. And let me remind you, he used you. He manipulated you, trained you dry, and he even made you believe that he loved you. Tapos, siya pa ang paniniwalaan mo? Alam mo, gigil na rin talaga ako na malaman kung ano yung ginawa mo sa mati ko. But I'm a lawyer, and of course, I will follow the law. So I'm going to make sure that I'm gonna find that evidence to prove your guilt, na ikaw talaga yung killer. And once I do, I'm gonna ensure that you will pay for what you've done. Magbabayad ka.
Alam ko kung gaano ito magiging kabigat para sa'yo. But as lawyers, our job is to uncover the truth.
Sana talaga hindi si Patricia.
Rena, I'm here to face the devil herself. Congratulations, Patricia. You have outdone yourself. Lorena.
Ira, alam ko masama pa rin yung loob mo sa akin. Pero sana pumayag ka na magtulungan tayo alang-alang kay nanay.